Hey guys, wanna know if somebody hacked your WhatsApp account and you do not know what to do in this case? I just know what to do, so follow this simple tutorial step by step. Now open WhatsApp on your device and in the chats section check for any unknown chat, and also go to the calls and review them probably. And if you have found an unknown call, this probably means that your WhatsApp account was hacked. Now what to do in this case? Just access the settings. It could be a bit different depending on the device, but anyways, I'll just tap that gear icon at the bottom right. Now when inside the settings, look for the option called linked devices and just click on it. When here, observe all of the linked devices, and when found unknown, just give it a tap and tap on the logout red option right there, and in the confirmation pop-up at the bottom, click on the logout option. So when we have managed the linked devices, let's actually secure our account. From here, just go back and tap on the account key option right there. Now here, go to the two-step verification and tap on the turn on option. Let's create a 6-digit PIN that you can remember, for example 6 once, but it is only for an example. Then re-enter it to confirm. And what this actually does, that if any unknown device will try to connect to your WhatsApp account, they will be prompted to enter the same two-step verification PIN code you have set up. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope your WhatsApp accounts stay secure. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.